Hi friends, if you are going to face to the driving test in Farnborough, today I will show you very important 3 roundabouts. If you are coming from the Aldershot, one roundabout is near the Tesco, other one Wellington Roundabout, then Farnborough biggest roundabout, Queen's Roundabout, then near North Camp Napier Garden car park roundabout. Okay, now I am going to start from the Tesco Aldershot, then we are passing Tesco Roundabout, Wellington Roundabout and Queen's Roundabout. Okay, then before start I can tell you, from the Tesco Roundabout we have to keep middle lane, then Wellington Roundabout we have to keep the right lane, the Queen's Roundabout I will tell you later because already mark our lanes. Okay, let's go now. Okay, let's start now. Now I am coming from the Aldershot Tesco. This is first roundabout. 3 exit here. One for the Aldershot town centre. Other one for the. Okay, keep right. Okay, here. This is for Aldershot town centre. Keep right. Left signal. Okay, keep right lane. Okay, now we are going to the Wellington Roundabout. It also very important roundabout. If you got driving test area, test route for this Aldershot area, definitely you will face to this roundabout. Okay, now keep right. Now we are going to Farnborough. Keep right lane. Keep in mind road markings. Okay, we can go now. Right signal. This round exit for the Farnham. Second exit for the Fleet. Next exit Farnborough. Okay, now left signal. This road is very important. The first at the beginning speed 40, then 50 and 2 pedestrians crossings here. Be careful. This is the first pedestrian crossing. Now speed is 50, but be careful. End of this speed limit you can see another pedestrian crossing, so be careful. Now speed 50, but can you see the color light? There is a pedestrian crossing, so be careful. Many people are coming to the park and grounds. Okay, now we pass that one. Can you see now speed limit 60? Keep in mind. In 1 minute we are going to Queen's Roundabout. The Queen's Roundabout is the biggest roundabout in Farnborough driving exam test area. All the lanes clearly marked, so it is very easy. Actually you have to practice this roundabout many times, then it is very easy because lanes clearly mark. Now it is better we have to keep left because we have to allow other overtaking vehicles to overtake us. Keep left lane now. Still speed 60. Now speed suddenly reducing to 50 and 30. Be careful. Now 50. right hand lane is clear, we have to turn right. Right signal. Okay. Now we are going to North Camp, so we have to stay from the right, second lane. See clearly what I am going to do now. Stay this lane, second lane. Otherwise it is very difficult to take the exit. Stay this lane. Now we are going to North Camp, Napier Garden Park Roundabout. It is very easy. Stay this lane. No need to panic. If color light's okay, you can easily pass this roundabout. Stay this lane. The left exit is for the Farnborough. This is Waverley School area. Be careful, there is a color lights and pedestrian crossing. If it is a school day, be careful, children are crossing. And other thing is, this is fire brigade, Farnborough North Camp Fire Brigade. Don't stop here for any reason. Don't stop here. If you stop here, it's a serious fault. Okay, now you can see Alexander Road, the Alexander Road roundabout, end of the Alexander Road, and Napier Garden car park right hand side. Keep right here. Now I am going to Lynchfield Road. The Lynchfield Road also usually examiners are giving this roundabout and Lynchfield Road, then Peabody Road. I will explain you another day. The Peabody Road and North Camp area. Now I am going to turn to the Peabody Road and I will stop the car. Left signal. This is Peabody Road. This is very important road for the Farnborough driving exam. Keep in mind 30 speed here. I am going to park right hand side. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed, if you got something, subscribe and like and comment my channel. Thank you very much.